What is up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email signature on your iPhone. Okay, so first of all, we're going to do a quick example. I'm going to send a pretend mail so you can see the signature. Now, my email is right here, but if you can't find yours, just swipe down from the middle of your screen, type in the word mail, and hit the icon right here. Okay, so you see it opens up all of my inboxes. Now, right here on the bottom right, there's the write a new email button. Click that. Okay, there's a new message. You can type in whatever address you're going to send it to. Let's say I have a friend called Andrew. Okay, this is just an example. Now, as you can see right here, that's the signature. It automatically places it there. So every time I create a new message and I start typing, and just let's pretend I wrote something there. If I send it, it will automatically include the sent from my iPhone. Now I can delete that right here if I want to. That's just text, but the thing is that it's always going to appear there, okay? And we can change that text to show whatever we want, okay? So I'm just gonna cancel this message. It was just an example. Okay, now let's go back to our home screen. And we're going to go to settings. My icon is right here, but you can always swipe down from the middle of your screen to find it. Just type in settings, click on the icon. Okay, so we're gonna scroll down. And right here where it says mail, click that. And now we're going to scroll down again. And right here where it says signature, click there. Okay, now there's as you can see, the first option says all accounts and the second one says per account. What that means is that on the first one, on all accounts, that means that if I modify my signature right here, it's going to include it for all of my email accounts, okay? But if I select here, it's going to allow me to create a specific signature for each of my emails. Okay, so if I send it from this one, it's going to include this signature. If I include from this one, it's going to include this signature. For this example, let's start with the first one. Let's say that I want my same signature on all accounts. Okay. Okay, here's the signature we saw when we created the message last. Okay, I'm gonna click there. I'm gonna delete it. And I'm just going to type in example signature. And let's say I want to write a phone number. It's going to make one up. Okay, now I'm going to hit back here where it says mail. And I'm going to go back to my home screen. Okay, I'm going to select my email. It's right here. Now, let's create another example message. Okay, click right here again. And there you go. As you can see, my signature is already added the way we fixed it, the way we modified it. And for any type of email I sent, be it this email or another one, it's going to always include this email, this signature. So I hope this was helpful, guys. Please like and subscribe so I can continue to give you guys more helpful tips in the future. Cheers.